Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. My name's Courtney, teaching you how to make money every single day with the sites and apps that I use to make an online income and how you can start today for completely free. Yes, I said completely free. As always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the bell notification. Comment if you have any questions. Make sure you like this video and be sure to stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping my first digital product of how you can make a full-time income with these online side hustles. So make sure you stay tuned because in the next couple videos, I'm going to be dropping that. So let's get into Prizerebel. Prizerebel was the first website that I started with to make money online, and I made money with it every single day. And you can do the same thing. You see here it says final 2 days, 25% bonus on all surveys and offers, instant 10. You have your daily challenge. If you make 102 points, which is $1.02, they give you five. Your streak. If you hit this daily challenge all 5 days, then they give you a 30-cent bonus. They start you off with these surveys. You can go to the different survey walls. If you like surveys, you can do that. They've got bonuses on all of them. If you're not a survey person, okay, we're going to go to the offers tab. This is what I do. Make sure that you learn how to clear your cache. And restart your system before you do these so you can get the most bang for your buck because you can only do a couple and then it like screens you out because you've already done a couple. So every time you clear your cache, um, it thinks that you're a new visitor. So um, we're at Revenue Universe and like visit the results and sites and earn. So you just click it and then you click one of the sites, you stay on it for a couple minutes and you earn 2 cents. You can always install Opera and get 3 months of Spotify for 91 cents. You can get a magazine for 88 cents if you're interested. You can do all of these surveys. I love these survey platforms because they let you do different things. Learn about drone products and you earn 3 cents. So you're literally not doing anything. My other favorite is AdGate. I go to all offers. You can watch a video for 2 cents. Sign up for free cash. Smart spender tips. You get 1 cent. Ways to earn and save. Um, Take a quick quiz and learn how to lose weight for 19 cents. Clash.gg, apply to try and earn if you're interested in that. Upside, grocery version, sign up for a free housing guide for 19 cents. So, guys, these offers add up and they don't take long to do. Everybody's like, I don't want to do any of these offers. I'm going to tell you what to do next. If you don't feel like you want to do any offers or surveys and you just want to earn on autopilot, okay? So, you can go to the surveys tab, do your 80-cent survey, do 6 of those, and then do some offers to make your $5. Or you can run videos in the offers tab. Ascend Media has these videos up at the top, and it takes you to this website. We're just waiting for it to load. They have all these offers as well. But here is the videos. Okay. So I always go to high to low. Okay. And I launch one of these videos, usually recipes. and you get paid for having the ads run in the background. If you don't want to do that, okay, you're going to do what I'm doing. You're going to duplicate what I'm doing and do a walkthrough of this site. So what I used to do this is called Zoom, and you can record your screen, okay? And then you're going to do a walkthrough video just like I'm doing, and you're going to start a YouTube channel. Then you're going to go to invite, earn with referrals, okay? Invite friends, level up, and earn 20% of all their points. You're going to do this on autopilot. I have 122 referrals. I've gotten 8281 from my referrals. I've gotten 500 or 5,565. Okay. Let me go over here to my referral stats. Okay. I've gotten one referral, 0 points from that referral, 39 clicks. So you see here, people are clicking, but they're not signing up. I haven't had a referral sign up since the end of September, and they haven't done anything. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep making these videos. Why? Because people are going to want to learn how to make money online. And basically, it's affiliate marketing. So yes, I started out doing the surveys and the offers and watching videos, but now I just create these videos with my referral link in the description. Like I said, if you want to sign up, you can sign up with my link and get a bonus. It's completely free to start a YouTube channel, to record your screen, do a review or a walkthrough of how to earn money online with Prizerebel, and keep making videos so that you rank for those keywords and your videos show up at the top. So every time somebody wants to make money online, your videos come at the top. So you keep making these videos with your referral link in the description, and people click your link and sign up because it's free, and then you'll start earning passive income from your affiliate link. All right. So let me just recap. You sign up for Prizerebel. The link is in my bio. You can do surveys. You can do offers. You can watch videos. Let me go to the reward store. Okay. All of these rewards, you go to gift cards, you can do $1 to $5 rewards, Amazon gift cards, online games, PayPal, crypto, Bitcoin, ACH bank transfer, or Venmo. Okay, now is the best time to get started with Prizerebel because it's the fourth quarter. Okay, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, it's all coming up. Okay, you've got to have money to buy gifts. Why not do it completely free? There's Walmart gift cards. There's Amazon gift cards. There's Apple gift cards. There's Container Store. There's Dunkin'. There's Subway. Now, these are e-gift cards. Okay. So you can add them to your account. That's why TJ Maxx. That's why I go with PayPal, because I can have it directly deposited in my bank account. So we've got 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 200, and 100. Or 500, 200, and 100. All right? You can earn every single day with this. You can go to Venmo. You have to have 10,000 points to cash out with Venmo. You can do ACH bank transfer, either $10 or $20. This is the easiest site to get started with, guys. If you're interested, click the link in my bio. I'm going to be coming out with daily videos on how you can make money online, and I'm going to be coming out with my first digital product that tells you step by step all of the sites and apps I use to get started making money every single day, and how you can create a digital product and earn just like I am every single day. If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified, and I will be back soon with another video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.